Grids are just tools, but these tools are powerful. And the power of these tools lies in their ability to bring structure, harmony, and precision to your design. Every design you create can be more than just an arrangement of elements. It can be a well-organized masterpiece, where every single piece has its own place. In Design Education Series Season 3, we will show you how to master grids and unlock your full design potential. We will not start from the grid. As you remember, grid is a tool to systemize your composition, to reuse and upscale the main principles. But the main word here is composition. So, during this season, you will learn the main composition principles that allow you to create a award-winning project. We will talk about shape, format, balance, white space, power lines, rhymes, and tension. We will teach you how to manage attention. Then, with solid compositions, you will learn how to marry your creative ideas with a grid. We will dive deeper into Obys' recent projects to understand what type of grids we use and how. We will look at projects that have won top awards like Red Dot Best of the Best, European Design Awards Grand Prix, and Awards Site of the Month. These projects are both highly creative and well-structured using grid system. Since this is the third season of our educational series, we have built a large community of creatives, and you will become the part of it. Take the next step in your design journey with us. Join the desk community, elevate your skills, and unlock the power of composition and grid in your designs.